Hello all, welcome to Technostick. In the section of working with Python, our today's question is we have taken a problem challenge from HackerRank, that is to check the given year is a leap year or not. A leap year is a year that has 29 days in the month of February, which comes once in 4 years. So this is the question that was given in the HackerRank. I'll first go through the question and then we'll be coding for the same. So what the question says is we add a leap day on February 29th almost every 4 years. That is leap year. So leap day is an extra or intercalary day and we add it to the shortest month of the year, February. In the Georgian calendar, three criteria must be taken into account to identify leap years. So what are the three criteria are? The year can be evenly divided by 4, that is a leap year, unless the year can be evenly divided by 100, and it is not a leap year unless the year is also evenly divisible by 400. Now if all these three criteria are followed, then it is a leap year. This means that in the Georgian calendar, the years 2000 and 2400 are leap years, while 1800, 1900, 2100, 2200, 2300 and 2500 are not leap years, even though they are divisible by 4. Source task over here is we are given this year and we have to write a function to check if the year is leap year or not. So the given difficulty level in the HackerRank is medium. So let's get started. So for that we'll be creating a function isLeap. So we create a function is leap and we take the input of year. Now what we do is first we set the value of leap, a variable equals to false. We take a boolean variable over here and set it to false. Now we take a condition. If year modulo 100 equals to 0, sorry 400, first we'll check. We'll go in the reverse chronology order as given in this problem statement. So if year modulo 400 is equals to 0, then we'll turn leap as true. The variable that was set false, we'll turn it as true. Else if, we use if over here in place of else if in this programming language. Else if year modulo 100 equals to 0, then we turn leap as false. Else if year modulo 4 equals to 0, then we return then we change the value of leap equals to true. So this is what it is, and then what we have to return is return leap, the variable that we have taken. Now we just have to ask for the input from the user. So we'll just take a variable year that we have mentioned over here. So we take year equals to, we want integer value, so we'll write int, and then we'll take the input from the user, and then we'll just print the function is leap. Now what we did over here is first we took a function is leap with a variable year, then we set the value of leap equals to 4. We saw that if its modulo with 400 is 0, then it should be a leap year. If its modulo with 100 is also 0, or if it's in OR, then it should not be leap year. If it's with AND, then it should be true, and if it's also divisible by 4, then it should be a leap year. Finally we are returning the leap function, leap variable over here, the value of leap that is stored, and then what we are doing is we are taking a variable year and we are taking the input from the user and converting it into the integer format, and then we are just simply printing the leap year. So we are done with the program. We'll run it from over here, and you can see, as you can see in the console window, we have to give a year over here. So let's say we know that 2020 as a leap year, so it's showing us true. Now we have to see in the question as it was given that according to the Georgian calendar, 1800, 1900, 2100 are not leap years. So we have to check for that condition. So we'll just run the program again to see it. We'll put the cursor over here and we'll take any of the years from the Georgian calendar. Let's say we are taking 2100. So it should return false. It is returning false. That means our logic is correct. We'll also check it for non-leap years to confirm it that whatever we have taken is correct or not. So we take for the next year 2021 and see it. It's returning false. So our entire program is correct. That is the testament of our code. So that was all for this. Thank you for watching.